The Madlanga Commission is postponed for today after Lieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo falls ill. The commission's chairperson, Mbuyiseni Madlanga, just reported that at around 3 minutes past 9, Lieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo, who has been giving evidence and testimony over the past 2 days, left the precinct of the commission after not feeling well. Okay, and this is, remember, for those of you who have not been following the Madlanga Commission, Lieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo, he's the chief of the intelligence in the police, meaning he's the head of the intelligence in the South African Police Services. And he's someone who has been referred quite a lot by Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi and General Fani Masemola in their testimony, has been referred a lot as someone who will be bringing concrete evidence into the commission in terms of how Senzo Mchunu, the criminal syndicates, criminal cartels, and the politicians have been influencing the police operations and interfering with the police operations. So it's the man with the receipts in terms of the concrete evidence. So now we are told that today the commission cannot carry on because the man fell ill and left the precinct at 3 minutes past 9. You'll remember that the commission kicks off at 9:30. So this is making our minds race quite a lot. Why I'm saying that? Remember, the chief evidence leader, Advocate Terry Mutau, Senior Counsel, has stepped down from the commission. Just remember, the commission has just been 2 weeks. The commission is only kicked off for the 17th of September, but the chief evidence leader has already stepped down. And we asked the question that could it be because he has been threatened? That the reason he's stepping down because he has been threatened or what? Okay, now you'd remember that during Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi's testimony, he mentioned that Nathi Mthethwa was the police minister at the time when Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi served as the acting National Police Commissioner. Nathi Mthethwa was the police minister at the time. And Nathi Mthethwa played a role in ensuring that Mkhwanazi leaves that post because he wanted to was pressurizing Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi to protect Richard Mdluli from prosecution and disciplinary processes. Okay, so now yesterday we received the news that Nathi Mthethwa has currently been serving as the South Africa's ambassador to France, was found dead outside his hotel in France. Now you start to link these things. You've got a Terry Mutau who resigns as the chief evidence leader from the commission. You've got the Nathi Mthethwa who's found dead. Now you've got the intelligence boss who's got the receipt, who's been giving evidence, falling ill. What is going on here, guys? What do you guys make of these developments? What do you guys make of these developments? Could it be that we are in for a huge surprise? Could it be that now we're finding ourselves in a mafia state whereby people are going to die? We remember how Mkhwanazi refused to drink the water that was provided to him by the Madlanga Commission. So why is now all of a sudden Khumalo falling ill? The very same man who's got all the receipts in terms of the evidence that would give weight to what Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi had said about the politicians and the drug and criminal cartels having infiltrated the police services. All of a sudden, the man, when he's supposed to give evidence on the third day, he falls ill. What is going on? What do you guys make of these developments? Go to your comment section and tell me your views, guys. Thank you for tuning in.